Hello, fine girl. What are you doing under this hot sun?
My boyfriend and I are just heading down there to get something.
You get a boyfriend? And you are trekking? No, now, you don't deserve to be trekking. Eh? Fine girl like you're supposed to be inside car. Okay? Which kind of boyfriend is that?
Bros, waiting they sup now. She don't tell you say she get boyfriend. They go now, waiting they sup.
See, you are a queen and you deserve more. They get some kind of men where you're not supposed to follow. Eh? They will just turn you to a cookie. Eh? You know what? I'm gonna buy you a car right now.
Yeah, waiting they sup. If I don't make small money like this, I'm gonna find who I want to press. Okay, because this if you use this car, press me like this, but waiting they sup now. Babe, where would they go?
I will tell you that money stop nonsense.
Babe, come, where would they go?
Babe, hold on.
Spiritually and physically, you think we know it, huh?
Just wait.
As I put them in front of you know, say go. I will tell you that.
All right, Chief. Yeah, good day, Chief.
What happened?
All right, I want to buy this your car.
Buy my car.
Yeah, I want to buy it for my girl.
You these small boys. Once you don't collect small money like this, you want the decent person. Does this look like something you can afford?
Chief, how much are you selling this car?
Okay. 100 million.
100 million. Give me your account.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. 310
310
864
864
39
3925.
25.
Which bank?
First bank.
First bank. Sent. Can check your account.
Wow.
So let's collect them. Like this.
You paid 100 million.
Can you calm down, please?
Young man, sir, do you have a job? No, sir. Take it.
Oh my God!